Hey y'all, this is Toya with Toya Loves Glam, and today we are going on a shop with me in Target for school supplies. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button for more video content like this. So today is my first time going school shopping for my kindergartner, so I'm pretty excited. And I know that the very first stop I'm going to make is right here in the Target dollar spot. Now the first thing that catches my eye are these little fabric bins, which I know that you can organize all types of things, and so I grabbed me a couple of these. I also like this little frame board that you can put on the wall for extra decoration and organization, and even the little cork board to pin up some little things that you get. Also, you have the little notebooks and the little shapes. I like this because I have a 5 and a 2-year-old, so that would make sense for me to put this on their wall. Next, we head over to the bins and binders, which they have every color and design that you can possibly imagine. So this is an easy, quick fix for you to use so you can organize your things for school. Now, it wouldn't be Toya Loves Glam if I didn't find anything pink, and if I didn't find anything that stuck out to me that was blingy or had a really nice design, kind of like this expandable pocket folder. It's ideal for papers and different bills and stuff, but I could use that in my office for my organizational needs. $8.99, you can't beat that price. Next, we head over to the little file folders, and they're on every school supply list that I've seen. And the glue sticks and scissors. Next, we have these cool markers and all of the sketch pads and all of the mixed paper that you can use, as well as stickers and all of the washi tape. It's just a plethora of things that you can use so that you can decorate all of your school supplies and all of your little folders and boxes and everything. You'll actually see these boxes in my office sometimes so that I can organize them in my office. Next are the backpacks, and they had a wide variety of backpacks. The winner for us is this Transformers backpack, and I got it for only $9. I love this desk. It has nothing to do with the tour, but I love it. Next, we head over to Office Depot, and they also had a really good sale going on for school supplies. This took me back to my childhood with the Nickelodeon and all of the slime, so I know that that's really popular right now, and they have a lot of things on sale for it. As well as the Post-it notes. You can get these almost any time of the year, and it's going to be very expensive, but right now they have really good prices for these. I don't even know how to pronounce these pencils, but I know that they need them for kindergarten, and for $2 I don't think that that's a bad price either. They have them in all colors, and as well as the sharpeners and everything. Next, we head over to the Sharpies and all of the highlighters and just about everything that you need for school. It looks like Office Depot is ready. Now, this was one of my favorite sections, the 5 under 5. I like to find anything that's unique, and if it's under $5, you really can't beat that. Same thing with the tech gear for under $10. You just about always need headphones and extra cords for your plugs and everything, so I think that was a good, find. All of these tiny finds are really good for teachers when you're going to put them in the treasure chest. Of course, Crayola. The school supply list without those. And I think what caught my eye over here are the binders. noise going on in the background, so I had to do a voiceover for this, so I really don't know what I'm looking at. Oh, more pencil cases. Next, you see the puffs. I'll show you guys how to coupon for those, as well as all of the items over here. These really make a really good teacher's basket gift, which I do plan on doing for my child's school, so I'll do another video of that. All of their file folders are on sale for 35 cents, and their backpacks are 25% off right now. So this is a really good time to get out and get ready for school. So if you guys, again, like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the video for more videos. Thank you.